Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. A lovely chilly morning from Reading, United Kingdom. So what I wanted to talk to you today about is what I see a lot of testers doing when they write Gherkin scenarios. They go to a great deal of attention talking about the individual steps that the user has to do to interact with the system. What buttons they click, what values they enter, what fields they complete, and so forth. My message today is don't bother. Don't sweat the details. Focus on the bigger picture. Focus on the user journey. Focus on the inputs and the outcomes, not the details. The details happen under the hood. If you're using tools like Serenity, for example, you'll get that documentation anyway. And even if you're not, there are other low-level unit testing tools we can use for checking all of those individual fields to know what happens when you enter the wrong date format, or what happens if you miss out on a field in a particular area. Don't worry about that, at least initially. In the cucumber scenarios, you want to keep it simple. You want to keep it focused on the business story, focused on the business communication. That's really important. It's important not just because that's what cucumber's good for. It's important because it's going to make life easier for you. It's going to make life less stressful, less painful, because maintaining all those cucumber scripts is a real pain. And it's going to make your job as a QA professional more effective, more impactful, because you'll be able to nail in on having those conversations and getting the right level of Gherkin, right level of cucumber scenarios written at the right time in the right way. And that is really, really powerful. That's the most powerful tool you can do when you learn BDD. It's not writing these detailed test scripts. It's being able to communicate and learn to use Gherkin. You learn to use this given when then notation as a communication tool. So that's my message for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments if you've used Gherkin, if you use Cucumber. Tell me how you use it in the comments. I'd love to hear. I'd love to have a conversation about it. Okay, that's all for today. Take care.